Finally, the police has arrested Awio, and I want him to compensate for all he has done to me. That is the message that Lil Square has posted on his official account, indicating that they have arrested Awio. Pastor Awio, a scrap dealer, an elusive businessman in Lira, who is said to be very wealthy and also portrays his wealth, has been disturbing, I can say, Lango's best music artist and also challenging to become the biggest artist in northern Uganda. Lil Square, without any doubt, is a perfect replacement for Two Stars. He has replaced the Two Stars, something that the Luo people never expected to happen so soon. A lot of good artists from Lao sub-region are available, but as Acholi ITV, we rate Lil Square as the top one in Lao sub-region, and also with a future prospect of making it as a top artist in northern Uganda. And Awio started by threatening. We thought was a threat, but later on he put into action that he wanted to arrest Lil Square after a contract of music promotion, which was supposed to last for 3 years, was terminated this very year. And information that are circulating indicates that Lil Square actually did everything lawfully, only that Awio had some kind of thoughts in his mind. Now this saga has been something which is hard to see and hard to believe. If you are just told what was happening, you couldn't believe. And the way things happen, just like this guy who is always criticized, but there's logic behind what he says, that almost all the media houses were available at the scene where the thing happened. Some media houses even traveled from from different districts to go and record or capture the event of humiliating Lil Square. So that makes it questionable whether it was a setup or not a setup. The truth is not yet known, but I think something is not far from the reality if you look at that angle, that all the media houses were available at the scene. How did the communication happen? Was it just intended so that there is enough media visibility of what Awio intended to do, or does it prove that it's a setup? So this development is something that has taken another twist, because what is on the ground now is Awio is in jail, and it is something that should not be happening in the music industry. We all know dealing with musicians is very difficult. Musicians are proven, especially in northern Uganda, to be very chaotic. And of recent, even the central Ugandan musicians are following up. Musicians like entering into tension so quick, and I wish they try to refrain from tension, because tension will derail the development of northern Uganda, which has been impacted with war for so long. Thank you.